In terms of segmentations, let me give you a couple of cases. I'm offering a discount on a particular product, and I want to create a segment of customers who have either shown interest in that particular product or they have, purchased that product, and I want to target those customers. So what I do is I click on product view and I select my name of the product. Let's suppose that product is this particular one. Let me copy the name of this product, and then I say customers who did add to cart, and then I click on property title, and here I go with similar product, right? Or I say customers who did complete order, and I say property, and I go for title, and again same product name, right? So people who have either shown interest or bought this product. So I want to target this customer because I'm offering a discount on this customer. So there are a total of 110 customers, and I want to exclude customers who did not do complete order in the last 10 days, right? So they are a total of 109. So there's one customer which we've excluded from the list, and the remaining customers we will sort of create a segment and target them. As an example, I also want to create a segment of customers who have interested in one particular product and also interested in another product. So let's go ahead and create this segment. So I create a segment of customers who did a product view and they bought a particular product, which is this one. Let me copy this name as well. Or they did add to cart and they did title, same product. Or they did complete order, property, title, same product, right? So, it showed me about 110 customers last time around. So there are 110 customers who've done this behavior. And further, what we want to do is customers who have either shown interest or bought this product, and I want to find common customers or customers who have done product view and property title. Let's suppose this particular product. So I want to see if there's any sort of convergence. So I click. So there are two customers who have either shown interest or completed order with this particular product and also have product viewed for this particular product as well. In addition to using these styles, there are certain additional features which can enable you to build better segments. So what I can do is, let's just suppose I've built a segment of customers who've completed order in the last 60 days, right? So the total number of customers is about 9,000 customers who have placed an order with us in the last 60 days. However, I have the capability here which says add segment. So what I can do is all the segments which I have created before. So, all segments I've created before, I can use any of those segments. So for example, I want customers who've bought skin moisturizer before, and in addition to this segment, I have three conditions, which is or, and exclude. So I'll walk you through each of these conditions. Or means that we need to sum both of the segments together. So if there are 8,000 people in first segment and 8,000 people in the second segment, so it will create a new segment with 16,000 people. And condition refers to finding common between the two segments. So if there are 8,000 people in the first segment and 8,000 people in the second segment, but only 2,000 customers between the two segments which have done the behavior in segment A and segment B, then the common would be 2,000 customers. And exclude is there are 8,000 people in the first segment and there's 6,000 people in the other segment. So it would exclude all the customers who are common between the two segments. Let's assume my first segment has 8,000 people and the other segment has 8,000 people as well. So if I'm using or between them, it would sum up both of these segments. So my new segment would become 16,000 customers. If I use and condition between segment A and segment B, what and condition would do is it would find the common customers between the two segments and create a segment of those customers. So let's suppose we have 8,000 customers in segment 1 and 8,000 customers in segment 2. But the common customers between these two segments are 1,000 customers. So if I use AND condition, it will create a segment of 1,000 customers. And lastly, the exclude one, which is a lot of brands use it. So what the exclude function does is it excludes all the common customers which you have in the second segment. So let's assume you have a total of 8,000 customers in your first segment, and your next segment has 8,000 customers as well. But in the second segment, out of those 8,000 customers, 6,000 customers automatically are present in the first segment. So exclude function would remove all those 6,000 customers and create a new segment. So let's go ahead and try each one of those conditions. So I have added customers who have completed an order in the last 60 days, and then I use OR condition, right, between these two segments, and I say show count. So it shows me a brand new count of 13,000 customers when I use OR condition. The other condition I can use is AND, which is to find the common between the two segments. So they are 1,500 customers which have placed an order in the last 60 days and have bought moisturizers as well. And lastly, I want to exclude customers. So I want to exclude all customers who are already present here and create a finalized segment. So the brand new segment I land up with is about 7,395 customers. We have excluded people who have bought moisturizers in the last 60 days from customers who have completed an order.